To use a virtual Visa card on Google Pay, you need to start by setting up Google Pay on your device. If you have not already done so, download and install the Google Pay app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to add a payment method. When adding a payment method, select the option to add a credit or debit card. Then choose the virtual Visa card you want to use. You will need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the card details, you will receive a verification code from your card issuer, which you will need to enter to verify the card. Once the card is verified, it will be added to Google Pay and you can start using it to make payments. To make a payment using your virtual Visa card on Google Pay, open the app and select the card you want to use. You can then enter the amount you want to pay and confirm the transaction. You can also use Google Pay to make contactless payments in stores by holding your device near the payment terminal. It is essential to keep your device and Google Pay account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. This will help protect your virtual Visa card and prevent unauthorized transactions. When using a virtual Visa card on Google Pay, you should also be aware of any transaction limits or fees associated with the card. You can check the terms and conditions of your card to find out more information about these limits and fees. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely use your virtual Visa card on Google Pay to make payments online and in stores. This provides a convenient and flexible way to manage your finances and make transactions using your device. Overall, using a virtual Visa card on Google Pay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By understanding how to use a virtual Visa card on Google Pay, you can take advantage of the benefits of digital payments and enjoy a more convenient and secure way to manage your money.